All right, what's up, everyone? It is finally time to announce the winner of the KCX, the Koch Chemie Sweepstakes. This was in collaboration with their ceramic all-around ceramic coating, and this is for flight and hotel to Georgia, to their training facility for a 2-day training event. I will be out there as well. They actually do the training events, I think, once a month, so we're gonna work with you and schedule something that fits both of our schedules so that we can both be out there at the same time. But basically, I have a whole Excel or it's numbers, Apple numbers spreadsheet here with all the numbers, all the order numbers, as well as all the mail-in entries as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and switch this around. We're gonna do a number generator, random number generator, and select the winner. All right, guys, so as you can see here, we got to 70 entries on this. So we're gonna go from minimum number was 1 all the way up to 70. We're gonna hit generate. Number 25, let's just go ahead and scroll up. Number 25 was order 12125. So let me go ahead and reference that over here on the site, 12125. Oh, that didn't work. 12125. Mark Weinmiller. Mark Weinmiller. You got a bunch of stuff. So good deal. You are from Dayton, Ohio. Mark Weinmiller. Congratulations, man. You are the winner. So super exciting. Mark, I'm super excited for you here. I'm going to send you an email. Well, now I'll send you an email so you can, again, we'll start looking at some dates and things like that that work for you. But congratulations. Thank you so much to everyone who entered in on this. Enjoy your ceramic all around. Fantastic ceramic coating. If you haven't seen the video that Casey from Koch Chemie and myself did together of actually doing a full prep and applying that coating, I'll link it up here for you guys. But that's it for today's video. Just wanted to announce the winner of the KCX giveaway. Thanks so much, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.